Hello friends, today I'll be discussing about SSB interview book by Major Ravindra Vasudevan. This is one of the most popular book for SSB. SSB stands for Service Selection Board, and this is a board in which you have to pass through if you want to become an officer in the Armed Forces of India. In this, there are various different SSB centers. For the army, it is in, for example, a few are there in Bhopal, Kapurthala, and various others. For Navy, also Vishakhapatnam, Kolkata. Air Force, it is Mysore and various others. So, where to get this book? This is a very beautiful book. You can get it in Amazon, or if you're studying in Cavalier India SSB Institute, you can get it there. I got it from Cavalier. I enrolled in my SSB coaching. It is written by most prestigious officers. You can see they have been ex-president. I have met this person. He is a psychologist and he is very good. He has a lot of knowledge behind him. And him, I have met him in the Cavalier Institute. So these people are actual people who are writing this book and also complementing it. Next, let's talk about why is it beneficial. This book gives a very simple and straight to the point information about the SSB. It gives you what the SSB expects of you and what's its procedure. As you can see, various stages are there. SSB is divided into 5 days, in which first is a screening test. You can see screening tips, techniques in SSB. Then of OIR, Office Intelligence Rating. That few questions will also be there. If you're going for pilot aptitude battery test. And the fluence awareness, very good. Next, for the next 5 days, you have the GTO, psychologist, and interview. Interview, conference is there, psychological GTO, and in between the interview is also there. However, in the this index is not given. Beautifully written book. Now let's talk about the advantages. As I've already discussed, this book is very straight to the point and you can become well aware of the SSB procedure if you go to this book. You can see for it, there's word association test in which you have to write the few sentences in some allotted time. So this is some sample questions. You can try this. You can put the timer and you can write the sentences from this book, and also you can see the answers. However, the answers is not like how you write in a board exam. You have to completely copy paste. You can create your own ideas. This book you can only use for reference. So this book is written by many of the ex-SSRs in various service selection boards, and as a result it will be very helpful. You can see I have underlined a few topics. This is very good. Situation reaction test. This book is very good for the screening, psychologist, and the interview part. However, for the GTO one, you need some practical experience, so you can join various coaching academies. But make sure, please, it is written in this book also that they have the proper infrastructure available, means the individual obstacles and the Bali Fatta thing in GTO, which is most famous. They keep the planks and the Bali and try to cross the way. Many examples also given, as you can see. For GTO is given what it only can tell you what the GTO expects you. It doesn't give you a practical exposure. as seen. This bully fatte I'm talking about, you stand and all these things. It is not good. Now let's talk about disadvantage. Well, the main disadvantage I already told that GTO tasks you need to do. See what the GTO experts in GTO. Unless and until you get a practical exposure, you'll not be able to understand how much pressure there is in the main SSB center. I went for SSB screening TES, however did not get recommended. I got screened out, and there were many reasons for it. However, I was much better than other people who were giving the screening in my batch. Few people told entirely in Hindi. You cannot tell entirely in Hindi. You may use a few words, but English is the main thing. You need to speak in English. Another one major drawback I've seen is that a few topics are given a very in brief. Like example for a screening test. Screening test is a place where most of people actually fail, and it's one of the most crucial places. Crucial stages means it's either yes or no on the first day itself. So in that case, only a brief is given, means how you're supposed to do it and how you're not supposed to do it. The thing is almost same for the GD part, and that's the place I think so more explanation should be needed. Now let's come to the conclusion part about the suggestions. As you can see GP very good figure is given. Yeah, let's come to conclusion part. So whether you should buy this book or not. See, first of all, you need to keep a clear idea that SSB is a personality test. It is not a JEE mains or a board exam in which you can get a few guides. You can read the question paper and then you can score 60 to 70% in the exam. This is how SSB is about how you have brought yourself up till now. Till now means till when you're going to give the SSB. If you are brought up in a good manner in which you're hardworking, outgoing, adventurous, helpful, and various other things, you would get through it. You don't need any particular coaching also. However, if you want to get familiarized with the how it is going, how the SSB process is, this book is very good. It gives a brief intro into every process, and it's very clear. You'll become very clear after reading this. However, I would feel that you should have some practical experience. Either you have gone to SSB once, attended the full 5 days, or you have taken coaching. So this book is maybe the best used if you take coaching. Else I would say it's only half done work. It will still work about it. Actually, coaching personally I'd say will give you a lot of experience, and the assessors will be telling you what the assessors in the SSB will be expecting and how you should project it. Much time people are not able to project it, and hence they're not recommended. Everything else is good in this book. If you have any problems or any comments, please share in the comment, and also please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.